Replacing an electrical switch can be a relatively simple process if you follow the proper steps. If you're unsure about any part of this process, it's best to consult a licensed electrician to ensure that the work is done safely and correctly. To do this job, you need wire strippers, screwdriver, voltage detector, new switch, and switch cover. To replace switch, you have to follow these steps. Turn off the power to the circuit by switching off the breaker in your electrical panel that controls the circuit. If you're not sure which breaker controls the circuit, turn off the main breaker to be safe. Remove the switch cover plate by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. Unscrew the switch from the electrical box by removing the screws on the top and bottom of the switch. Carefully pull the switch out of the electrical box, making sure to not touch any of the wires. Take a photo or make a diagram of the wiring connections on the old switch to help you remember where the wires go on the new switch. Make sure that there is no power by checking with voltage detector. Disconnect the wires from the old switch by loosening the terminal screws and pulling the wires out. Connect the wires to the new switch in the same manner as they were connected to the old switch. Also, I like to wrap switch with electrical tape. Push the new switch into the electrical box, making sure the wires are not crimped or pinched. Secure the switch to the electrical box by screwing it in with the top and bottom screws. Replace the switch cover plate and screw it in place. Turn the power back onto the circuit by switching on the breaker in your electrical panel that controls the circuit. Test the new switch by turning it on and off to make sure it works properly. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.